Welcome back with me, Cine Compare, and today I want to spot the difference between a real and fake pairs of Jordan Luka 2 Matador colorway. So let's check it out. As you guys can see on the first sample, on the marking area here, look at on the fake one, the blue on the upper material is slightly thicker on the fake one compared to the authentic one here. Also this one, the line here and the middle part on the forefoot, it's also slightly thicker on the fake one compared to the authentic one here. Another sample also, as you guys can see, the embroidery and the stitches here is practically touching the white midsole. Compared to the authentic one here, it has a little bit gap between the embroidery and the white midsole. And look at on the Jordan logo here, on the fake one it's slightly come up, slightly higher on the fake one compared to the authentic one here. The authentic is centered. Another one also, as you guys can see on the marking area, still same. The blue layer on the middle of the shoes, as you guys can see, it's more thicker on the fake one compared to the authentic one here. It's still same. The embroidery is practically touching the midsole on the fake one compared to the authentic one here. On the authentic one, it has a little bit gap between the embroidery and the white midsole. Also this one, the blue line here is more thicker. It's more wider on the fake one. Look at on the authentic one here. Another one also, as you can see, the line here isn't straight on the marking area. Look at on my pointer. Look at on the authentic one here, it's straight. Also this one on the bottom is a little bit bigger. It's a little bit thicker also compared to the authentic one here. And also the embroidery is still same. The floss is always here, the embroidery, and you can directly look at this part if you want to compare your own shoes. Moving to the inside part of the shoes, between the embroidery line and the stitches, it's crooked. There's no gap here on the marking area here. Compared to the authentic one, between the embroidery line and the stitches here, there is a little bit gap. Another one also, as you guys can see, on the fake one, there is no gap between the line and between the embroidery line and the stitches here. However, on the authentic one here, you can see, just like previous sample, there is a gap between the embroidery line and the stitches. Looking from above here on the toe box, the stitches here, it's only one layer stitches, whereas on the authentic there are two layer of stitches here. It's totally different. Another sample also, as you guys can see, on the fake one there are two stitches also, but the stitches here is a little bit longer on the fake one compared to the authentic one here. The authentic one, it has a little bit gap here on the edge on the left side and on the right side here. Stitches is centered, it's a little bit shorter. Moving to the back of the shoes on the heel, as you guys can see, between the midsole and the outsole here, there's a white glue stain between the midsole and the outsole. And also the stitches here, the shape here is a little bit horizontal, straight horizontal, whereas on the authentic one here is a lot more rounded. Another sample also, as you guys can see on the marking area, there is a white glue stain between the midsole and the outsole. On the authentic one is looking very clean. Another sample also, as you guys can see, the stitches part here is more like straight horizontal, whereas on the authentic one is very clear, it's rounded. It's totally different. Alright guys, that's my explanation. I hope you get it. And if you have any question and request, feel free to DM me on my Instagram, or you can leave in the comment section down below. Don't forget to like and subscribe to this channel so I can make another video for you guys. Thank you very much for watching and see you later.